But the question is, how do you make them sustainable? It's not getting rid of them necessarily, it's looking at how we can actually embed sustainability and deliver things in a way that we can do as sensitively as possible, really.
And that's exactly where I position it. I think we're the pragmatic compromise. It would be lovely to think we have wonderful green spaces everywhere, and we let all the natural elements flourish, and we have grass everywhere, but we all drive cars, we have bikes. We're trying to encourage people to walk more. We need robust infrastructure. Concrete has been one of the materials that's been used for aeons very effectively. The challenge, as far as we're concerned, is how to bring more nature-based solutions into the kind of schemes that we supply to.